Or you train and thus it, on the contrary, is drawn in for you. How to achieve such and such a result. That is, you can, depending on what you want, use certain exercises and achieve the result that you desire. The abdominal muscles, the rectus abdominis. That's what we're interested in right now. It starts here from the ribs. Here's the sternum. From this part, it ends here, or conversely, it starts here and ends here. In general, one end is attached to the ribs of the chest, the other end is attached to the pubic bone, to the pelvis.